Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2009 Case 440-3 with 639 hours. This skid steer has 82 horsepower and front auxiliary hydraulics. The lifting arm has a 2,200 pound capacity and a 72-inch bucket. The tires are standard 12 by 16.5s with 40% tread. The glass enclosed cab features heating and air conditioning. If you're interested in this Case 440-3 and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.